Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to select multiple columns in Power BI Query Editor. This is an essential skill when you're working with large data sets and need to manipulate or transform specific columns without affecting the rest of your data. Let's walk through the different methods you can use to accomplish this. First, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application on your computer. Once it launches, you'll see your workspace where all your reports and data models are housed. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to building your visualizations and analyzing your data. Now look at the top of your screen and click on Transform Data. This action will open the Query Editor, which is a powerful tool within Power BI that allows you to clean, shape, and transform your data before loading it into your main workspace. The Query Editor is where you'll perform all your data preparation tasks, and it provides a preview of your data set so you can see exactly what you're working with. Once you're in the Query Editor, you'll see all your data columns displayed. Here's the first method for selecting multiple columns. Click on one column header to select it, then hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on additional columns you want to select. This allows you to select non-adjacent columns scattered throughout your dataset. Alternatively, if you want to select a range of consecutive columns, click on the first column, then hold down the Shift key and click on the last column in the range. This will select all columns in between, making it quick and efficient when working with grouped data. There's another method that gives you more visual control over your selection. At the top of the Query Editor, locate and click on Choose Columns. From the drop-down that appears, click on Choose Columns again. This will open a dialog box that displays all available columns in your dataset with checkboxes next to each one. In this dialog box, you'll see that all columns are checked by default. Simply uncheck the checkbox next to any column that you don't want to select. This method is particularly useful when you have many columns and want to deselect just a few, as it gives you a clear overview of everything at once. Take your time here to ensure you've unchecked exactly the columns you want to exclude from your selection. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click OK to apply your selection. And that's it. You've now learned 2 effective ways to select multiple columns in Power BI Query Editor, giving you the flexibility to work with your data exactly how you need. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.